Hello, class 7th. Let's start the new chapter Energy and Power Resources. Before starting this chapter, let's see the answers of the exercises of lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 Industries. Yes, class, you can see over there two pictures are given. This man is carrying a cylinder and there is a plant, and plant supplies what? Plant supplies fresh air. That's why for taking fresh air, now this man has taken this cylinder, because everywhere is pollution, but there is pollution everywhere. That a fish is carrying cylinder. Here also it shows what? Water pollution. See, bottles and plastics and garbages you can see over there. That's why it create what? Pollution and water bodies. Okay, picture B, water pollution. Here give a suitable title to both the cartoons. Here it shows air pollution, here water pollution. B, why the man in cartoon A is wearing a mask due to air pollution. Why is he carrying a flower pot with him? For fresh air. Why the fish in cartoon B is carrying a cylinder? Due to water pollution. See, due to water pollution. Mention any two causes of pollution. Two causes you have to mention here. Emission of harmful gases and chemicals. These are the two causes. Now, here is multiple matching. You have to do in column B. You have to write 4, 1, 2 and 3. 4, 1, 2 and 3. This will be your sequence. Here in front of column C, you will write, your sequence will be A, B, C and D. Okay? A, B, C and D. For example, see, investment, small scale industries, investment 2 crore, sugar industry. Okay, this will be your sequence. In MCQ, first one cottage industry, second large scale, third Chhattisgarh, fourth one cotton textile, fifth USA, sixth the Great Lake, 7 Ahmedabad, 8 Karnataka, 9 Bengaluru, 10 automobile industry. Energy is needed for all kind of activities. We need energy to light our houses, to run the vehicle, to cook food, and to drive machinery in industries. Electricity is one of the main source of energy. Energy can be generated in thermal power stations, hydel power stations and atomic power stations. Energy can be generated from fuel minerals like coal, petrol, natural gas, uranium and from fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium and from electricity. All these sources provide us energy. See, the resources which used for generating energy are known as energy resources. Resources which provide us energy, they are called energy resources. Important energy resources: coal, petroleum, uranium, all these are some important energy resources. Major sources of energy: natural gas, mineral oil, coal, etc. in urban area. In urban area, while wood, animal waste, mineral oil, these are major sources of energy in rural area. Rural area. Okay. Biogas plants are set up at municipal, cooperative and individual levels. The plants using cattle dung are known as biogas plant. These biogas plants benefit to the farmer in the form of energy and improved quality of manure, and manure they use in their fields. Energy resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, energy which can be used again and again or can be reproduced by physical, mechanical and chemical process. Example, solar, wind, hydel energy, they all are renewable energy. Also, renewable resources, they are also called non-conventional energy resources. Now, second one, non-renewable resources, energy that cannot be replaced at all or within a reasonable time. It means energy which cannot be replaced in a short period of time. They are called non-renewable resources. Okay. And non-renewable resources, they are called conventional energy resources, and their examples are coal, petroleum, etc. Here I have used word petroleum. It includes petrol, diesel, kerosene. All these things are included in petroleum. These are some differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable, these are the resources which can be renewed in a short time. They can be renewed, renewable resources. While non-renewable resources, these are the resources which cannot be renewed in a short time. Second, these do not cause any pollution to the environment. Renewable resources, they do not cause any pollution. While non-renewable resources, these cause pollution to the environment. Third one, these are the free gift of nature. Yes, they are. These are not the free gift of nature because we have to pay money for it. The fourth one, air, water and solar energy are some of the renewable resources. Mineral oil and coal are some of the non-renewable resources. Why do we pressurize on using of renewable energy resources? Because we all are aware that due to modernization, increasing population, industrialization and urbanization, the energy resources are in great demand, but production of fossil fuel is limited because all these energy resources, they come from fossil fuels. They are limited. So we need to replace non-renewable energy resources with renewable energy resources. We should start using renewable energy resources. Need for using renewable energy resources. First, over dependency on fossil fuel. The growing consumption of energy has resulted in the country becoming increasingly dependent on fossil fuels such as coal and gas. First, slow rate of formation. For making non-renewable energy resources, it takes time a lot. The rate of formation of fossil fuel is very slow as compared to their demand. Third one, rising prices of oil and gas. Rising day by day, we can see the prices of petrol is increasing. Due to high demand, the price of mineral oil and coal has risen very sharply in the recent years, putting a huge burden on the economy. Fourth one, pollution. They also non-renewable energy resources. They cause pollution. Fifth one, abundance of renewable energy resources. We have huge quantity in renewable energy resources, so we should use like solar energy, tidal energy. We should use them. Wind energy. Okay. India is a tropical country, so it has enormous possibilities of tapping solar and wind energy. India is blessed with an abundance of sunlight, water, wind, and biomass. That's all for the day. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.